Miss Wen ran 6 miles in 1 hour and 3 minutes. At this rate, how long did it take her to run 1 mile? So again, we're looking at a unit rate because we're looking at 1 mile. So we're going to go ahead and put the miles at the bottom because we want to make sure that that's 1 mile. So we're going to match that with 6 miles, which is also going to go at the bottom. Up at the top, it's 1 hour and 3 minutes. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to convert that into minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes, so that is 63 minutes for 6 miles. We're going to need to figure out how much is going to be for 1 mile, and we're going to end up dividing by 6 on the top and bottom. 6 divided by 6 is going to be 1. Up at the top, I have 63 divided by 6. 6 goes into 6 one time. 6 times 6 is 6. Subtract, we get a 0. Bring down the 3. 6 doesn't go into 3, so I'm going to put a 0 up at the top. We're going to add a decimal and a 0 to bring down. 6 does go into 35 times, and 6 times 5 is 30, and there's nothing left over. So it's 10.5 minutes. You can also think of that as 10.5 minutes per mile. I'm running out of room. Or you could think of that as 10 minutes and 30 seconds for 1 mile.